Alright, today I'm going to show you how to use the OBS Studio to record your videos. So you're going to, first you're going to open up the application. It's going to open up like this. This is your home interface. You're then going to click this plus here. Click that plus. You're going to find display capture. Click display capture. Good. You're going to rename it, whatever you want to name it. So this is how to use OBS Studio Recorder. Good. Now that's finished. You're going to make sure that that is not ticked. Add existing is not ticked. You're then going to click down here. Let's focus that. OK. Click OK. Great. Now another screen is going to pop up. You're going to click OK again. You don't have to read it. Click OK. Good. Now then you're going to go to over here in the bottom right hand corner and you're going to find start recording. Click start recording and then it's going to show red. That means you're live. That means your screen is being recorded. You can go to any application. Let's say we go to Discord. We go to Discord. Good. Discord can be seen as a recording. You know what I mean? That they can see when they watch over the video, they can see everything. That means it's being recorded. Good. And then we're done. When you finish your class, make sure that it's an hour or less than an hour. So don't start recording your class until you know you're ready to start your class, okay? Because we don't want it to cut off. It cannot go past 2 hours. You're gonna click here. Once you're finished, click stop recording like so. Bam. And if it will take long, since it's an hour long, but mine was only 2 minutes 20 seconds, so therefore it was an instant stop recording. Very good. And that's it.